Key provisions of the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA), which came into law this year, may violate certain provisions of India's constitution, a report issued by an independent research wing of the US Congress has claimed. CAA, which amends India's 1955 Citizenship Act, came into force in March this year. A voter turnout of 73.5% was recorded till 3 p.m. in re-polling at 11 polling stations in the Inner Manipur Lok Sabha constituency, officials said. The decision about fresh polling was taken following a directive from the Election Commission, which declared voting held at these stations on April 19 as null and void. No disturbance of violence has been reported so far today, an election official said. The polling stations conducting the re-polling include Moraing Kampu Sajab and Tongjam Laikai in Korai constituency, 4 in Kshetragaon and 1 in Tongju in Imphal East District and 3 in Yurpok and 1 in Kontojam in Imphal West District, according to the official. West Bengal School Service Commission (WBSSC) will move the Supreme Court against the order of Calcutta's High Court's division bench, which cancelled 25,753 appointments made in teaching and non-teaching categories in 2016. According to the WBSSC chairman Siddharth Majumdar, the order of the division bench was not acceptable to them, the reason that several persons were penalized for some faulty appointments. The Supreme Court today asked Advocate Prashant Bhushan to file the material to substantiate the alleged violation of the terms of interim bail granted to Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son, Ashish Mishra, in the case related to the mowing down of protesting farmers in Uttar Pradesh Lakhimpur Kheri in October 2021. Ashish Mishra allegedly distributed tricycles at an event in Uttar Pradesh, even though the court only allowed him to enter the state to attend trial proceedings. The court, which is hearing his bail plea, granted the interim bail in January 2023. It has since been extended from time to time. Russia today said that US, British and French military support for Ukraine has pushed the world to the brink of a direct clash between the world's biggest nuclear power that could end in catastrophe. Just 2 days after US lawmakers approved billions of dollars in additional military aid to Ukraine, Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov said the United States and NATO were obsessed with the idea of inflicting strategic defeat on Russia. Lavrov said Western support from Ukraine was putting the United States and its allies on the verge of a direct military clash with Russia. Palestinian civil authorities have found a mass grave inside a hospital complex in Gaza, according to a report by Al Jazeera. Nearly 200 bodies have been found buried in a mass grave inside the courtyard of the Nasir Medical Complex in Khan Yunis, the report said. Reportedly, the bodies were of elderly women, children, and young men. Former RCB captain Virat Kohli has been fined 50% of his match fee for showing dissent at umpire decision following his dismissal against Kolkata Knight Riders. Kohli argued with the umpires after he was given out caught and bowled off a high full toss, claiming that it should have been a no ball. Kohli also smacked a dustbin while walking back to the pavilion.